Okay, so if you have hydrogen and nitrogen bonding together, you simply put the dot structures right next to each other. So hydrogen, let's put nitrogen right here. It's got this dot structure. Hydrogen has this dot structure. So nitrogen is going to make how many bonds? 3 bonds, because it's got 3
it's only
lone electrons, right? So those 3 lone electrons are each going to make a bond with hydrogen. So how many hydrogens are you going to end up needing? 3. You're going to need 3 hydrogens to go along with that.
only one on that hydrogen has gonna bond 3 times.
So exactly, you can't bond 3 times. It can only bond once, exactly. So in order to show that when nonmetals bond together, you get a covalent bond, a sharing bond, we draw a straight line that represents 2 electrons being shared. So each of those straight lines that I just drew represents 2 electrons being shared. So how do I write the formula? I just wrote the Lewis structure for the bond between hydrogen and nitrogen. It's a covalent bond. Here's what I do for the formula. You just take the hydrogen oxidation number, which is +1, and nitrogen is 3 minus, right? And you crisscross the numbers. You put this number here, and you put this number here. So you get H3N. That is the formula when hydrogen bonds to nitrogen.